Every home in Alys Beach is beautiful, but not every home is as memorable as this one. Let me give you a few reasons why this one stands out. First, the setting. It overlooks Arboleda Park, one of the quietest and most beautiful spots in Alys. You get that open green view and can still walk to everything. Conveniently located between Caliza, Zuma, and the town center, and it's still an easy walk to the beach. Second, the outdoor living. A two-story loggia with a beautiful fireplace connects the courtyard right to the park. It's dramatic, but also incredibly livable. And third, the architecture. Designed by Khoury Vogt Architects, it blends openness and privacy perfectly. The bifold doors really do blur the line between inside and out, and every space feels intentional. Upstairs, the multi-level layout includes 3 bedrooms, a bunk office alcove, and unique to this location, multiple rooftop terraces overlooking the whitewashed rooftops of Alys Beach. There's also a 2-car garage, offering convenience that's sometimes hard to find in this community. Elegant, peaceful, and designed for real life, this house checks all the boxes. If you're interested in details or interested in scheduling a private showing, feel free to reach out to us anytime.